everyone, introducing us from the HiPet team, bringing the idea of HiPet, the animal welfare sector community platform which facilitates interaction between pet owners. Background: quote from Kompas.com, a survey in the UK stated that 78.6% of owners get information about pets through the internet. But similar to others, often the information obtained is only from social media and chat applications. I praise the trend of looking for pets during the COVID-19 pandemic has increased 88% from 2019 to 2021. According to Kompas.com, in Indonesia, the ownership rate for pet cats is around 37% and for pet dogs around 16%. And research conducted by Alan McConnell from Miami University found an interesting fact that pet ownership can have a positive impact on their mental or psychological state, such as eliminating feelings of loneliness, stress, and others. However, to maintain good relations with pets, animal owners must take care of their pets' health.
This idea comes from a problem experienced by one of our members. Several products have tried to solve pet welfare problems, such as Peto and Eleven Pet. For that, HiPet is a solution platform for the pet owner community to interact mutually, exchange information or share experiences in caring for pets, with superior features, namely forum for interacting, image classification with AI to obtain pet care information, and reminder for maintenance schedule reminder.
In designing this application, we look for references from various well-known social media applications. We then made the design using Figma. Of course, we didn't only pay attention to the UI, but we also considered the user experience in designing this application. Here's a video demonstration. On the main page, all the interesting posts by various users are here. We can have discussions with them through the comment section. On the Classify Pet page, we can identify the pet's breed with AI. Here are details on how to care for the identified pet. And then you can look for equipment that is recommended for pet care. On the reminder page, we can create reminders of important schedules for pet care such as feeding, bathing, or taking them to the vet. For the dataset, we took data from the Kaggle 23 pet breeds image classification with 3,881 images divided into 23 classes. We used the fine-tuning method using the pre-trained model Inception v3.
The implementation of machine learning in output layer model. We also apply dropout regularization to reduce the possibility of model overfitting. And the result of training machine learning model, in training process, we train the epoch of 100 and use model checkpoint callbacks to save the model when it is the best accuracy and obtain the best model result. The next is implementation of cloud computing architecture. HiPet is using Google Cloud Platform or GCP, and we have two applications, namely backend and machine learning model.
For the local deployment plan, in the first month, we will introduce our product to the potential user. After that, we will test the MVP product directory to the user to get feedback and make improvement plan for the application. In addition, we will also request another team member. The second month, we will collect more data to improve the ML model and finalize features that are not available from the original plan. The third month, adding the required feature from the user feedback suggestion and making continuous integration to make the development and maintenance process more manageable. The fourth month, we will hold a soft launch event for limited users so it carry more branding activity ahead of the release day. The fifth month, release Android application to Play Store, then backend application development on GCP. The sixth month, monitoring and maintenance of application for a feature development. Our business market segmentation consists of three. First, pet owner will need more reference on how to take care of their pet. The second is pet lover community like letsadoptingindonesia.org, and the last is person who interested and begin to adopting a pet. For social benefit, our application will helping stray dog and cats to find their new owner. The second is facilitate pet owner to find people who want to adopt their pets. The last is find a new friends, because using this application is make it easy for user to talk to other user and find friends who have the same hobby or fun.
For the revenue stream, we get it from two sources. The first is affiliate marketing, where we provide recommendation to users to buy pet supplies, where we will get commission for every product they sold. The second is paid promotion sponsorship, which can be helpful to pet owners, vet, and grooming services. About the market size, existing research show that almost 46% of Indonesian population owns a pet. So our projected potential market is 150 users, assuming 3% of pet owners in Jakarta. Attention and bye-bye.